Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. So you use your phone every day, but are you using it to its full potential? Today I'm spotlighting 3 features that can save you time, add style to your lock screen, and even let you borrow the best of iOS without leaving Android. So if you're all about customizing your phone and making it truly yours, hit that like button, subscribe for more mobile hacks, and drop a comment with your favorite features. So let's jump in. So feature number 1 is to register your 2 fingerprints on one fingerprint registration. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can now add 2 different fingerprints under one slot, like your left and right thumbs. So the benefit of this is that you have faster unlocking no matter how you're holding your phone. So it's great for users who use both hands and people who are constantly switching hands. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, then tap on settings. Next we'll go ahead and scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. Here we're going to go ahead and tap on screen lock and biometrics, enter in your PIN number. Now next you want to go ahead and tap on fingerprints, and now go ahead and tap on add fingerprints. Now go ahead and register your fingerprint. So you hold the phone in 2 hands here. Go ahead and start off with the right thumb first, now your left thumb, and then just go ahead and alternate it. And once it's done, go ahead and tap on done. Now go ahead and try out your fingerprint unlocking. So as you can see, you have increased the chances of unlocking your phone while using 2 hands. So you could be holding your phone in your left hand, or you could be holding your phone in your right hand. So this is basically for faster unlocking no matter how you're holding the phone. Feature number 2 is your new clock face for your lock screen. So on your Samsung Galaxy phone, Samsung has added a range of sleek, stylish clock faces to your lock screen customization option. And let me show you where to find them. So here we're going to go ahead and first open up our Galaxy Store. In Galaxy Store, we're searching for Good Lock. Make sure you install this app. For those of you who have already installed it, make sure you update your app. Next, press open. And then scroll down and find Clock Face. So make sure this module is enabled or it's installed. Now once that's done, press home. Go ahead and lock your screen. Go ahead and look at your lock screen. Go ahead and long press on it. Authenticate yourself. And now you'll be able to edit your lock screen. So go ahead and tap on the clock, then tap on style at the top, and then go ahead and swipe all the way to the left, and then until you see all these new clock faces. Go ahead and tap on this clock icon. And from here, you'll be able to see all the new clock faces which are available from the Good Lock app. So as you can see, they have updated it. So you have these new clock faces which you can use. You only tap on it and just tap on this and then go ahead and use this. So once you're happy, press done. And then go ahead and press home. Now go ahead and lock your phone, wake it up, and you have your new clock face. So you can personalize your lock screen to match your theme or wallpaper. So whether you're going for a clean, minimal, or bold and expressive look. Feature number 3 is to create an iOS 26 lock screen layout on S25 Ultra. So if you want to create this layout here where you have a big clock and you have your wallpaper here giving the depth effect like the iOS 26. So this is the iPhone. So let me show you how you can do this on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can now replicate the clean iOS 26 lock screen layout on your Galaxy. So it's complete with your clock placement and your wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this. So here on our Samsung S25 Ultra, we'll go ahead and replicate the iOS 26 lock screen layout where you have your clock really large and you have your background here. So let me show you how to do this. So here we will first open up the gallery app and we'll be using this picture. So in order to do this, first we'll go ahead and take that picture and we're going to go ahead and long press on the subject and we'll go ahead and extract it from this image. So go ahead and tap on the 3 dot and then tap on save as image. So now we have an image of this person here on its own. And now the second step is to take this image and we're going to go ahead and remove this person from this background. So we'll use Galaxy AI. We'll go ahead and draw a circle around this person where we want to remove it. Go ahead and tap on the erase icon. And then go ahead and tap on generate. Now we'll go ahead and tap on save a copy. Now that's done. Go ahead and go back to your home screen. open up your Galaxy Store. And from Galaxy Store, we need to go ahead and download this app called Good Lock. Once downloaded, go ahead and open it. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Lockstar and make sure this module is installed. Now, once installed, go ahead and press Home. Go ahead and long press on your home screen, tap Wallpaper and Style, then tap on your lock screen, which we're going to customize. Here, we're going to tap on Wallpaper. Now you're going to go ahead and find this empty wallpaper, which is right here. So we want the one without any person involved in it. Next, we're going to tap on Lockstar, tap on App Widgets, scroll down and find Gallery, tap on Image and Stories, add widget. We'll go ahead and tap on the widget itself, tap on Settings, tap on Select Image, and we'll select that image which we created. Now you have to do this 2 times as for some reason there's an issue. Before we do this, let's go back. Let's go to your gallery. Let's just crop this. Now we'll go back to your home screen customization, tap on Wallpaper and Style, tap on Lock Screen. First, we'll go ahead and change the wallpaper. So we'll go ahead and make that wallpaper, which we created. So the one without any subject. Next, we'll tap on Lockstar, tap on App Widgets, find Gallery, tap on that widget, add it, tap on Settings, tap on Select Image and select that image, tap Done. Let's do it again one more time, and then we'll tap on Save. Now we're going to go ahead and enlarge this. Now next, you want to go ahead and choose your clock, then tap on Style. Now swipe all the way left until you see your clock face. From here, find the large version of the clock. And here we're going to go ahead and increase this. Let's go ahead and increase the size of this. And then press Done. So now, as you can see, we have now replicated what's on iOS 26. So you can enjoy the aesthetic of iOS without losing the power and the freedom of Android. So it's perfect for users who love the iPhone look, but stick with the Samsung features. And there you go, guys. 3 features, 0 effort, and a better phone experience. What more could you ask for? So if you learned something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to stay ahead of the curve, and comment which feature you're enabling first. So this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.